Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Airdrop Info Hub, where I talk about cryptocurrencies, forex trading, crypto trading news. I'm not gonna make this video very long, just a little short video on how to farm a particular project which has been, it's not really making noise, but it's working on a very low key. Not everybody knows this project, and remember what they say: something that is working on a low key with not much noise, no much hype, actually end up cooking at the end of the day. So the name of this um, the name of this project I'm going to talk to you about is the Ari Wallet app. You can see on the screen right there. Now, Ari Wallet app is like every other cryptocurrency. In the other crypto wallets app out there, like the Luna app, the Roku, the yeah, so many where you literally understand cryptocurrency have. Yeah, so this Ari Wallet app is all about buying and also selling crypto currency. You can also send and also receive from users, you know how they now. The good thing about this, what makes this Harry Wallet different from others, is that Harry Wallet help you get to farm points and accumulate as more points as you can on the wallet now. And when it's time for the TGE, we get to be rewarded for our points that we have farmed for a particular period of time, and which will be converted into tokens and will be listed on major exchanges like Bybit, Bitget, MEX, and yeah, OKX, and every other exchanges out there that which are in partner, which will willing and agreeing to partner with Ari Wallet Hub. So in this video, I'm going to be showing us how to actually farm the Ari Wallet Hub. Yeah, and also the daily quiz for today, I'm going to be posting it here, and subsequently I'm going to be posting the daily quiz answers, the questions and answers, as a post on the YouTube channel. Now if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel and also like and subscribe if you like what I'm doing, and if you don't like what I'm doing, still please subscribe to this channel. All right, thank you. So let's go into the video. Yeah, thanks for joining me into this section on how to sign up and start farming Ari Wallet app. If you're new to Ari Wallet app, and I don't need to go again about what Ari Wallet app is. So quickly, you go to the Play Store or the Apple Store, whichever devices you're using. So once you get to the App Store, since I'm using an Android device, you search for the Ari Wallet, which is the one you see on the top area here. Then you search for Ari Wallet. Immediately it starts, then it pops it out. Then since I've already downloaded the Ari Wallet app before, I don't need to download it again. All I have to do is just open it. So once you open the Ari Wallet app, you sign up on the Ari Wallet app. Then it says, you see where it says agree to all terms. Then you click next. Then you input your email address. So I'll be inputting my email address, but on this case I'm raising someone's I'm raising a friend of mine. I'm helping a friend of mine to actually sign up on the Ari Wallet. So you click on email verification. So once you click on the email verification, you click OK. So once you click OK, yeah, so it's going to ask for enter the code above. So you're going to input this captcha. I think all of them is on capital letters. So you're going to click S. On your own case is going to be so different from mine. So yeah, TF. Yeah, I think it's complete already. Okay. Oh, successfully. So, and a verification code has been sent to my Gmail address. So we just come over to the Gmail address. Oh, fantastic. So this is the code 802113. So I'll just input the code 802113. Then we're going to input the password. So in this case, I'll be using, yeah, in this case, I'm going to be using this. Okay, let me read something else. Yep. So this is just for, this is just for a test. I think you guys are wondering if I'm going to leave this password. Well, don't be so smart. I'm going to change the password already. All right. So yeah, that's that. Okay. Yeah, so this is just for a test. All right. So we input the password here again. Okay. Yeah, so that's that. Okay, I think it's correct. Then we're going to input the referral code. Remember, if you don't input the referral code, you might not be given a bonus of 50 Ari Wallet points. So you input this referral code. You click on next. Yeah, it's loading. Loading. Still loading. Okay, successfully. Then so this is my master key. So I will just copy this right here. You click OK. So tada, we have been signed up successfully already. So we just you're going to see a daily check-in. So you click on the daily check-in. You click on it and check it for us. So immediately I sign up on the Ari Wallet, which I input the code. I was given 50 Ari points immediately. Then with the check-in, daily check-in, which was 10 daily check-in, so altogether is 60 Ari token. All right, so we come head over to this place where it says close. We're going to close. Then we are going to let's find out where we're on the Ari Wallet. So we come on to the top right area on the above where you see the three hamburgers. We're going to click on it and we're going to head over to the today's quiz. So we click on today's quiz, and today's quiz says what percentage of the annual inflation reward is allocated to the token. All right, so we come head over to this place where it says close. We're going to close. Then we are going to let's find out where we're on the Ari Wallet. So we come on to the top right area on the above where you see the three hamburgers. We're going to click on it and we're going to head over to the today's quiz. So we click on today's quiz, and today's quiz says what percentage of the annual inflation reward is allocated to the storage fund. Yeah, so that's what it says. It says what percentage of the annual inflation reward is allocated to the storage fund. So the answer is 10%. So we just click on the 10% right here. Okay, I don't think this is clicking. Okay, 10%. Then we check successfully. So wait for congratulations, you have earned 10 Ari coins for answering correctly. So we click on it, and when we click on it, yeah, then we are awarded another 10 Ari points. So we are given 70 Ari points. Yeah, so yeah, that's all. So that is all for today. So in my next video, I'm going to be updating us on the market on Ari Wallet, the total supply and the market cap on the Ari Wallet, and the credibility of Ari Wallet, and everything you need to know about the Ari Wallet. If you still want us to go ahead on the Ari Wallet, I'm just looking at time because time is not on our side. I think that is all we need to know about signing up on the Ari Wallet and all that. Thank you. See you in my next video on the Ari Wallet.